Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Gango. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by future Grammy winner Kikila Walikosi.
Always happy bafethu and noma rijiwe but smile ihlezi sikhona ekhaya yabo sijabulile.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, sesijwayele noma kufika kuyahleka uyasho ubhakanile.
You used to this.
Yeah, ndoda ngicela ukuthola i-breaking news now ukuthi kunenkinga eyenzekile so ngithi condolence kuma Mamelodi Sundowns ngizokuthi bathu goalkeeper usesibhedlela manje njengoba ngikhuluma uWilliam umfukeng umphule amathambo umfukeng amphula amathambo uthe after game ayi wathola ukuthi akekho right bamise esibhedlela
Sharp.
eBarakwana
Not Netcare.
bamise eBarakwana
Sundowns are medical aid.
hayi asazi uzophuma nini khona lapha yana bathe makabuyele lapho uyakhona ngithi beka nama injury bathi hayi makabuyele lapho uyakhona namuhla bengihamba nebhakaniya ne abantu bebaku live yami lapho engiyenza ku TikTok bangibuzile ukuthi namuhla uzovaya nani ngathi hayi no namuhla ngizovaya nebhakaniya but nayo kube beshayiwe bengizoyihleka ya angisabi ngaloko yezwa mos but khona into engifuna ukuyisho like kuma Mamelodi Sundowns yabona mawujwayele ukusebenzisa umuthi uyazi ukuthi umuthi usebenza kanjani
Exactly.
Ngiyamangala mina Sundowns namuhla sebenzisa ikhona yayo ukuthi ngizongena egroundini.
Why?
Ngoba iyazi ukuthi yona la sindlula khona isuka ifakeni. So yeah, umenzi wento like umuntu ojwayele ukwenza something, you understand? Mangabe uya somewhere uyovakasha ukhumbula lento ahlala yenze ebantwini.
Guilty conscience.
Yes. Isingisi leso. Yeah. Unembeze yamshaya ukuthi hey ngokosami nami nginokwenza izinto ezikanjena manje kukaso yabo. So ngibabone nje bachamuka nje ngale emaraba start wabo labo bawajwayele bazongena lapha e-stadium. So iPSL mangabe izovumela izinto ezinjalo ngoba ngathi akusikho uqala bakwenza umthetho uthi siphuma lapha sonke. So mangabe khona abanye bazophuma edentuzaneni bese iPSL iyathula. Then kusasa kuzoba kwenza iKaizer Chiefs ole Orlando Pirates then bakhulume kakhulu bathi why bona benza into eso ekubeni nabo abanye bakwenza sithulile sibhekile you understand. Yeah. So congratulations mabhakaniya niwinile nabashaya and futhi ngifuna ukuthi congratulations ku referee.
Why?
Angibonanga phutha mina elenzo referee namuhla.
Flawless.
Alekho ibhakaniya iwine fair and square.
Definitely.
Straight win. Akekho lo jajamanga lapha yana ngiyazi ukuthi bahlezi bayenza izinto ezimbi mara kumele siphinde sibabongise mabenza izinto ezikahle ngoba kusasa bazokhuluma bathi no penalty yethu namuhla bengana penalty umfuke nje ubaphulile ku 5 minutes before 5 minutes two goals. You understand? Umfana omncane wabaphula amathambo wabaroba amathambo
roba
nje manje lapha yana
Messi
arobe umfuke nguyaba roba arobe niroba kanjani ngengroba arobe lalela mpinjami ngizwe esinye isigulane la sakusikhukhune ne singibuza ukuthi khila uroba kanjani udliwe ngifuna umtshela ukuthi ngifuna umphendula ukubaluleka kwe-side chick ukuthi yini, you understand? Mangabe umama sendlini uthe wakuthi kancane yes uyagijima uye ngale sidini ufika uthola ukujabula mase ufika la uthi yazi isithandwa sami mina ngicolele
ufika ujabulile
yeah athi kithi yazi baby mina ngicolele
nawe wenza kanjani
awu
yazi yaphila bethu o celebrator ka motse wa batho ba rekile dijo yena kwa sina dijo he celebrating 3 points about yena da ya relegation da number 8 ntwana yatswa yena celebrator lo tsabo number 2 da
talk about the consistency of being a top 8.
They are consistent in top 8. One of the most consistent team this season for top 8. Long walk to 30 points. Amandla.
Kibos, askukun ujiwe mfowethu. Kila ujiwe today. Ningayilule impi. Ibongele nje Paris nifike la
iso mina ngikho ngojuwa. Yena ngoranga next.
Yazi problem iwani ukuthi uyabona sometimes kumele usebenzise imind. Yabo ukuthi udliwe nga 2-1 udliwe nga 2-0 kahle i3 point oyitholanga yonke into is gone, you understand? Ukuthi wena udliwe kanjani akukho ukugcona kuyafana, so sometimes kumele sikusebenzise yeah ukuthi hayi mfana kithi asiyitholanga lento zana
noma trapeze
if lose ntwana against Stellenbosch and I'm still at the top. I'm still above 30 points. Long walk to 30 points since from February. Mara ilega ubuta sibo kare they luck. They win once a month. Their luck was finished when they defeated Marquez.
Once a man.
Banale pride batho ba Sekhukhune. Banale pride. If I did the notes, if I did the notes, or how to beat Sekhukhune, we should not Kaizer Chiefs because we beat them 3 times. Now
in a row,
yeah, because they have a pride. They didn't even ask us
if Stellenbosch Mara, if Stellenbosch Mara still one number 8. It shows there's no importance in beating Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch, but you're still struggling with number 8. So there's no need for me to beat that Stellenbosch. No. But the celebrate will beat Stellenbosch the whole year. They will celebrate this week, this win for the whole year. That's the only thing they can celebrate. But anyways, what's the name of the team? When last did they?
Man of the match, when last did you?
Angeke uzongibuza man of the match uyekela uSikhukhune akhuluma isikhathi eside kanjani. Uzobuza mina man of the match. Amara. Uyasuke. But anyway, mfana kithi man of the match wami uMbokazi. Umbokazi mfana kithi aye stop nonsense lapha yana. Aya stop le ntwana le stop nonsense mfana. Le ntwana le angazi ukuthi bayivuse phi and ifike yafitha lapha njenge glove. Yabo. So Umbokazi mfana kithi hayi makaphakamisa amakawosi njengoba waphakamisile yabona. So also mina abantu abanengi banokuba worried ngeKaizer Chiefs mayidliwe ne thina ama support eKaizer Chiefs asikho worried bayabuya bafana baye natural so ba welcome kongra bafana nidlalile okay kuhlulekile la sihluleke khona but akusikugcina komhlaba and sohlezi siba supporter guys singayekeli ukusupport iKaizer Chiefs thina sayithanda always bafethu asibeni siba support abafana bethu sibe positive singabheki nje izinto eziningi ngoba like khona thina abanye like masizo umuntu maybe we Sundowns akhulume kabe ngama player weKaizer Chiefs then nathi sawathatha senze ikhwaya sithatha lento ayikhulumile senze ikhwaya siphinde siphoce ama player wethu no akusuphela komhlaba ukudliwa and aqali ngeKaizer Chiefs ukudliwa and njengoba ngaqali ngeKaizer Chiefs abafana bethu sohlala sibathanda ngaso sonke isikhathi love and peace ikhosa liphela moya njengoba sinje sihlezi sine smile ngoba islogan sethu siyasho ukuthi love and peace abafana bokuthula noxolo so asilwi namuntu iluzi sobuya futhi sodibana neArrows khona le eDurban sizoya yes sokugibela phezulu kwakhe naye yabona sisile ene mase sokugibela phezulu kwakhe makwenzekile ukuthi ngisherelile ngawo akusicala lelo akusiphuka yabona lento le wafithu yabona ihamba nala isegazini Sigazini lalela yabona Mariz yabona Pagania buya la lalela
thatha lento khila nangozi
angilifuni le phepha lalela Pagania ne mina ngibabonile vandaga abantu abathathe lento enganabungozi bayibona angithi wena ongakayithathi uyibona enganabungozi mawuyithathile uyabona ubungozi bayo kungakho bangene ngale Pagania ya kuma backdoor ngoba bayazi ukuthi nawe uyile wayoyithatha lento enganabungozi and guys ukudlala lalela ngifuna ukutshela into eyi-1 akusho ukuthi ugcwalisa istadium mangabe uhlala udlala etoilet uyanganasela kunomehluko between itoilet and ne big house
Orlando Stadium
yes yabona Orlando Stadium lalela Orlando Stadium lalela Orlando Stadium sibo Orlando Stadium sibo beku sold out ngale lentuzane khona la and angeke baze bagcwalisa istadium angeke baze bagcwalisa istadium Kaizer Chiefs idlala same day ne Pirates understand no Pitori le eMarabastad nakhona same toilet and ile toilet encane le understand
kuzana ukhila
kube kuse Orlando Stadium but manje iFNB hayi
iattendance uyibona njani lapha uyibona njani attendance
namanje
uyibona njani attendance
namanje ungena online uthi namanje ngene online uthi ufuna iticket le Pirates le Sundowns sasa available
bengasi sold out
hayi
iattendance
sasa available namanje ticket
Next season uBobby Mela yenza sold out cup because ngare there's no cup for sold out.
lalela yokugcina sibone ama-supporter Orlando Pirates agcina amakhanda the only supporters agqoka amalentuzana angaka amanye alengazafike la uke wabona isupporter le-Kaizer Chiefs igqoka into engaka
please come and fetch Kila here
amanye azalenga kanje khona umngani wami azalenga yehle nangamaketanga isikopho sicinile
Orlando Stadium i-toilet
ama-toilet toilet yabona toilet uzivalela uyi-1 abagcwalisanga lapho abanye laba cisho bangconywana abanye bathi bekuyimpuka nenyana
got the question ukhila udleni namhlanje akakhuluma ngama-toilet
angithi wongithengela umbila
why wasn't it sold out?
This is the first time ngizwa ukhila ekhuluma ngama-toilet kwi-football ukhila udleni namhlanje lalela igame isunday yokokuqala lalela igame isunday lalela uma umlandeli webhola uyasebenza ave singena for free la and then umsebenzi wakho is very important ma ungaphela umsebenzi ngeke ukuthi bawusela ebholeni sebekhona abantu abake baphelela umsebenzi lalela nginomzekelo mina uyabona into okuthiwa uMashaka obesupport Chiefs uShakes Mashaka uMashaka ubesebenza kwaFulfaghen yes uMashaka
uzoyichaza ku-interview yakhe
uthenga ukuphela umsebenzi asangimqashi
ngifuna ukuyivala
ephelelwa umsebenzi nokuthando le-team yakhe
waze waqashwa uNkululeko
manje lona ufuna abalandeli abathanda ibhola bariske
lalela ngifuna ukutshela into eyi-1 before le ntuzana into yokugcina yabona le win le ye-Pirate le win ye-Pirate ne iya straight lapha kuboNkululeko lapha ku-District Challenge angazi namuhla bokhuluma ngani ngoba i-Pirate winile uyangandastand unless bazoqwasha ngale ku-Chiefs ngoba basupport i-Sundowns lapha kuleya channel basupport i-Sundowns
Lokanye
bonke i-Sundowns uyabona endoda lapha yana kugcwele ama-Sundown uzobona makuwine i-Sundowns bokhuluma ngathi umhlaba wonke lana hey ngithi le pain i-Pirate lento eyiwinile njengoba nishaye le i-Sundowns nishaye nale ku-District TV
kuma-fans wethu esowethu e-Orlando apologize ukuthi ubize i-Orlando Stadium nge-toilet ayikufanele leyo nto
kungakho kuyi-sport mos ima-toilet